Adding a schematic to the project. The next step is to add a new schematic sheet to the project. When adding a schematic, right-click on the project file name in the Projects panel, then select Add New to Project, then Schematic. As shown on the image, a blank schematic sheet named sheet1.shdoc will open in the design space, and an entry for the schematic will appear linked to the project in the Projects panel under the Source Documents folder icon. When connected to the Concord Pro workspace, the Select Configuration item dialog will open after selecting Add New to Project and then Schematic. Select a schematic template from those that are stored in your workspace and click the OK button. Second, to save the new schematic sheet locally, select File and then Save As from the main menus. The Save As dialog will open and ready to save the schematic in the same location as the project file. Note that files stored in the same folder as the project file itself are linked to the project using relative referencing, whereas files stored in a different location are linked using absolute referencing. Third, since you have added a schematic to the project file has also changed. Right-click on the project file name in the Projects panel, then select Save to save the project locally. Fourth, save the new schematic and then modify project file to the workspace. To do this, click the Save to Server control next to the project name in the Projects panel. Fifth, the Save to Server dialog will open. Confirm the multi-vibrator project PCB and multi-vibrator SH.doc files are checked. When this is complete, a small green check will appear next to the file's name in the projects panel, as shown here on the image.